I'm gonna prepare something that is called the mushday. It's made with garlic. I pre-bake this in olive oil for like 10 minutes in oven. Because if you put raw garlic will be too strong. I just pre-cooked a little bit, not too much. I still need that flavor of the garlic. Yogurt and mixed herbs, fresh herbs like oregano, parsley, sage, and I put 2 leaves, small leaves of mint. It goes good here. Now we're gonna use our garlic. Put the garlic in, our herbs, all of them, some salt and pepper, and we add our nice yogurt, or you can use a sour cream or anything, but this will come beautiful with the yogurt. And now we start to mix everything together, slow and easy, because the garlic is pre-cooked, half-cooked, will dissolve very fast. And this is our yogurt garlic salsa with fresh herbs, salt and pepper, ready for our chicken. I'm gonna go here in the mushday like this, very nice and creamy, you see. It's incredible, melts in your mouth. The mushday, the garlic sauce, it's delicate, it's beautiful, it's very good. Let's taste a little bit more. Hope you make it. Follow our channel, subscribe and like. Thank you everybody. Poftă bună, bon appetit, enjoy it. Thank you, I see you next.